based on actual events as recorded in the Book of Mormon, another testament of Jesus Christ.
We trusted the Lord, and we have lost everything. We will find another way.
There is no other way! What do you propose now? Return to the house of that thief? They'll kill us before we get to the door.
We must go back. We cannot disappoint Father or the Lord.
You are a fool. You are a fool! Father is a fool!
Why do ye smite your younger brother with a rod? Know ye not that the Lord hath chosen him to be a ruler over you? This because of your iniquities. Behold, ye shall go up to Jerusalem again, and the Lord will deliver Laban into your hands.
How is it possible that the Lord will deliver Laban into our hands?
He is a mighty man.
He can command 50. Yea, even he can slay 50. Then why not us?
Let us go up again into Jerusalem. Let us be faithful in keeping the commandments of the Lord. He is mightier than all of the earth. Then why not mightier than Laban and his 50? Or even then his tens of thousands? Let us go up. Let us be strong like unto Moses. For he truly spake unto the waters of the Red Sea, and they divided it, and our fathers came through out of captivity on dry ground.
Nephi, this is not the same.
An angel has spoken unto you. Wherefore can ye doubt? Let us go up. The Lord is able to deliver us, even as our fathers.